Good afternoon. Uh, Today is Monday night. I just came to my soccer farm here in Abuja because I've been looking for what I'll be eating my fish. And they caught this, they caught it. Look at this is alligator lizard. Right? Please come on with this video. Oh no. This alligator lizard. Hold it. Now, look at hold on, me no bite me. You don't kill him.
Yes.
Look at the volume of eggs. Only this one. Let me. How many? Don't worry. Hold on. Leave on. How many eggs? Only this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Leave am. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Only this alligator. Look at it. Now, 15 eggs just to hatch on this property. You can imagine how many they are. That means this is the woman. Where the man there?
I don't know where I understand.
When I go look for the man, kill him.
Okay, no,
When I go kill him. But this one, you see this meat, you don't chop my fish well. What you go do for me? So you go roast them so that they chop them. It is sweet.
Yes, sir.
I don't know. But what I'm trying to bring out is that these things have been a predator to her. You can see they just enter the ponds, eat. That's how I put this net. The essence of this net is to prevent these things from going into the pond. If not, if you allow your pond empty, open, they just go there. They just go there and eat your fish. Imagine this one give birth to 15. The other ones give birth to 15. That means they'll have a colony of these things in this farm. And that means they'll be cannibalizing on our fish. So please try and protect your farm. We have caught this one. Thank God that we are leveling this place. We saw it inside this soil. It was inside this soil. Abi?
Yes.
Now they catch him. He build us inside. Okay. Now look for the papa. You know far. We go kill him.
Okay.
If you're saying sister, we go kill him. Yeah?
Yes.
All right.
Snake, I go kill him, ba? Snake.
Snake. If you see snake, kill him. Why not kill snake? If you not kill him, bite you and your headache. So please, we go clean everywhere. You see why I say the farm should be clean? You guys think we're just joking for hygiene. So, good afternoon.